In this video, we'll be going over how to install OneStudio's inventory for your FiveM server. Before we begin, make sure you're using the latest version of fmLib, which is linked in the description below. Then, head over to the CFX Portal and download the latest version of OneInventory. Once downloaded, unzip the files, then simply drag and drop the resource into your resources folder. Next, make sure both fmLib and OneInventory are added to your server.cfg in the following order. To grant yourself admin access, make sure to add the following to your server.cfg. For this tutorial, we will be adding add_acegroup.admin1 _inventory.admin_allow. However, for your own server, set it up in the way that suits your needs best. If you're using an ESX framework, before starting, make sure both fmLib and OneInventory are added to your server.cfg in the required order. Then open the installation folder inside the OneInventory resource. Then open the ES_extended folder. Copy one_inventory.lur and paste it into your ES_extended folder. Next, open the fx manifest.lur inside ES_extended and add the following line: server_script one_inventory.lur. For QBCore, same as the ESX installation, ensure that you have the latest fmLib and OneInventory resource and add them to your server.cfg in the following order. Follow the same step for installing the script on QBox and add them to your server.cfg. For QBox, you'll find several patches inside the installation folder. First, open QBX_core/server/main.lua. You're looking for the section that checks for OX_inventory and the inventory convar. Delete both of those else if blocks completely. And also remove the startup errors. Error message equals true. Inventory:framework must be set to QBX in order to use QBX_core line. Leave the OX_lib dependency check exactly as it is, and leave the startup errors block untouched. We're only removing the OX_inventory validation. Next, open QBX_core/bridge/QB/server/main.lua. Near the top of the file, you'll see two lines that load and convert OX_inventory items. Delete both of those lines. Since ONE_inventory handles item synchronization itself, these are no longer needed. Finally, open QBX_core/bridge/QB/shared/main.lua. This is the biggest edit, but it's still very straightforward. Find the section that starts with local QB shared equals require shared.main. From that line onward, delete every loop that imports OX_inventory data. That includes the item loop, the weapons loop, the components loop, and the ammo loop. Keep deleting until you reach the line that says local starter items equals require config.shared.starter items. And that's it. There are optional patches you can add if you use OXfuel and QBX ambulance job. Those patches are listed in the README file as well. Throughout the installation process, if you encounter any issues or need the latest fixes and updates, you can always refer to the documentation available at onestudios.gg. Now, let's head in game. Open the inventory and make sure everything is working correctly. From there, you can customize your inventory experience through the built-in admin panel. Lastly, let's migrate your old inventory to OneInventory. For this demonstration, we'll be migrating from OXinventory, although support for additional inventory systems will be added in future updates. Before starting, make sure OXinventory is running. Open the Migration tab at the bottom of the admin panel and click Start Migration. Select everything you'd like to migrate, then type Migrate to confirm and begin the process. Once the migration is complete, you can safely remove your old inventory resource from your server. Finally, move any custom images from your old inventory into your newly installed One Inventory Images folder if they're missing. And that's it. Your setup is now complete. If you run into any issues, remember that you can always refer to the documentation available on onestudios.gg. The One Studios staff are always happy to help if you need assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using One Studios inventory.